girl D, and I'm back with another video for you today. Today, y'all, so y'all see the setup. It's a little different. Y'all see what's going on. I got some cheese sauce over here. Alfredo sauce over here, because y'all been talking about dip it in the Alfredo. Try the Alfredo, see what it's like. And, of course, I got my butter back here, just in case I don't like neither one of them. And before we get into all that good stuff, y'all, make sure you smash the like button and hit like this video, because obviously you clicked on it. You either like the title, you like the food, or you like me. So do what you need to do. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, because you know it goes hand in hand. Subscribe the bell. Subscribe the bell. So do what you need to do. Okay? Okay. All right, y'all. So, y'all see what we got going on. I got some juicy lobster tail, king crab, a snow crab down here with the good old goodness. Corn, sausage, egg, and red potatoes in the back right here. And I just decided I want to try all my favorite things, all my favorites in these two. We're going to see which one of these we like the most, okay? So, let's go ahead and bless over this food, y'all, and then we're going to get started, okay? Dear Heavenly Father, I want to thank you for this wonderful meal. Good food, good meat, good God. Let's eat. Amen. Yes. And of course, y'all know I'm back with another Seagrams. I love these things. I love these things. This is probably like my third favorite, because y'all know the peach Bellini is my first. But this right here made my third. I don't know who in the middle. I don't know who the second yet, but we'll figure it out. They so good, y'all. And they just be tasting like candy. And this one don't even have a lot of, I think the peach Bellini got like 6% alcohol, but I mean, hey, you know. All right, y'all, so I don't even know what I want first, to be honest. Like, well, I don't got my scissors right now for the lobster, for the king crab. This thing is big, y'all. Let me tell you, it is hard to find the big fat ones without ordering them, and I got it. So shout out to, I think I got these from ShopRite, Price Right? I don't know. It's weird. Like, people like, where you get that food from? Like, I literally go to different places for all my stuff. So we're gonna go lobster tail first, y'all. We're gonna go with tail in first. And I'm gonna go with the, I don't know if I want Alfredo or cheese first. I'm gonna go Alfredo. Alright, they told me to try this out. I don't even know how much to get. Is that enough?
I don't have any reaction to that. Well,
okay, no, I don't like that in Alfredo. No. Try dunking in the cheese. I mean, the cheese can't be bad, honestly. No, cheese ain't bad now. Cheese ain't bad. I'm going with my butter. Of course, I gotta go hit it with my little butter, baby. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. Right for mama. Butter is the best on, what did it say? Butter make it taste better, boo.
butter make it taste better.
So y'all know, I really got much to talk about. No big drama, but I said I still want to talk about something, y'all. The other day, Rolling Ray try potato, y'all. Rolling Ray took the Instagram live and explained the story of what happened with him on fire because everybody kept saying it. Now that gotta be good. That's good. Okay, cheese and a potato. That's good, y'all. A little better way. That's good, y'all. Y'all know I gotta have my peppers. Let's see with the snow crab. Y'all know I love snow crabs with really anything. So we gonna see. My bad, I'm discombobulated, y'all. But I really like snow. I don't know about this Alfredo, y'all. Maybe it's the type of Alfredo that I got. Let me see.
Damn!
I think it's the type of Alfredo that I got, y'all. I really think so. Cause that thing, I think I got like a 4 cheese one. I should never did that because I feel like it just tastes too salty. And I didn't put nothing in it. I don't know why I just didn't make my own cheese sauce because my own Alfredo cheese sauce because I made my own cheese sauce. So now y'all, if I can get this thing to, here we go. We're gonna see in the cheese. Y'all, I'm convinced. Ooh, that snow crab was so good. I'm convinced butter is the only thing that belongs on snow crab. I mean, seafood. But I don't know because I like the cheese. It's really good. The cheese is really good though, y'all. But anyway, y'all, Rolling Ray took to Instagram. Tell what happened with the fire and how he got wig caught on fire. And y'all, everybody was like, don't be laughing, don't be laughing. The thing is, nobody be laughing at him. Rolling Ray is just freaking funny for real. Like, he started explaining the story, and y'all, I'm not making fun of him. I'm not making fun of the situation or none of that. Because I understand he didn't have the advantages to stop the fire fast enough like he had them. But, y'all, he was explaining the story like, and I'm going to put a clip up here because y'all ain't about to be talking about me. He was like, this is the part that took me out. Yeah, so I told him get the water, and I told him put the water on my face. Psh. Like, why you gotta do that? Like, they go the water. Psh. Like, why? Like, God, I'm sorry.
I say, throw it in my hair, throw it in my face.
I had to get off and just like, because I could not want to, I just was like, no. He is not about to make me laugh at this shit because then I'll be wrong or whatever the case may be. But it's the way he's explaining the story. Kind of make me think he lying a little bit. Because he was like, he told them, put the water on my face. It's just, I don't know, y'all. He probably was doing something he ain't supposed to be doing. Or something. But Tasha K said something good. In her video, Tasha K said, where the hell is his caretaker or somebody with him? You right. They need to be fucking fired. They all like, oh, you about to die over a jack, this, that, and the third. Because he said he was lighting a cigarette. And he probably had one of them crackhead lighters. You already know, like, where you from the DMV. So you know them crackhead lighters where they pop off the thing and the flame go real high and shit. Because he said he was lighting it and must have had it in his mouth and whooped up his hair or something. Like, y'all. First of all, that's some good ass hair. Then again, it's not because it's flammable. But wait a minute. You know what?
Child. Anyway, so.
Mind my business over here, cause baby. But I was like, y'all, it's the way he's explaining the story that makes it so funny. His like, and he gotta know he's doing that, y'all. Like, my thing is, he gotta know. Because the man goes in on them story, like, he don't gotta say all that. Like that. He was like, oh, and then the water was just coming like, deal the water. Like, Okay, y'all, so I like the cheese. But I don't like the Alfredo sauce. I don't know what y'all doing with that. I don't know what y'all doing with that cheese, though. Oh, that cheese is so good, though. That cheese is good, though. Yes, comment down below, y'all. He said that it's not his karma. Everybody kept saying it was his karma for saying this stuff about JT. Like, everybody was like, he shouted out Santana. Like, my thing is, his whole goal or the way it was looking is that he wanted Santana's attention. I think Santana knows that he has much more to lose at this point. So it's no need to be going back and forth with a fan. And I mean, it is what it is. Yeah, Roland Ray is a clear fan of Santana. Like, a clear fan. Y'all, I really like this cheese. It's good. The cheese is everything. Look, that's some fat shit. The cheese is everything. Okay. Ooh, I'm saying it's so soft, they break up into thing. Yeah, that shit good. That shit good. So tell me what y'all think. Comment down below. Y'all think it's his karma? For me, I think Roland Ray. Let's see what's up with this corn. Oh, honey. Corn and the cheese like that. Let's see. That's not bad. Yo, I don't know what it is. I guess cheese just go good with every damn thing, because it's good on the damn corn too. It tastes like I don't know, it's giving me a dish. I can't get what it's giving right now. My mouth is hella messy right now. Hella messy right now. I can't wait to try that sausage. Yeah, that's gonna be something to talk about. I mean, Roland Ray, he told the whole story. He said he gave a little shout out to Santana and said, oh, I appreciate Santana. Like, and my thing was, and him calling out everybody like Tommy, he just still cannot get it. He was like, Tommy, you need to shut the fuck up and take care of your kids or something like that. Go take care of your daughter. That's what he said. And your daughter.
Yeah. Yeah.
And my thing is like, boy, when are you going to learn? Here he go again. And Tommie is not the one to fuck with. The only thing that will hold Tommie back is because she know she gonna go to jail. But everybody should know how Tommie is. Like, Tommie don't play that shit. She will have you touched. And I mean that in the humblest way. And she will have you touched. I think he should just chill out. Rolling Ray talks sometimes do too much shit. Too much shit. I mean, like, it's getting out of hand. So comment down below if y'all think that he went too far. Or he keep going too far. Like, how do y'all think he's supposed to? Everybody was like, you need to humble yourself. You made it alive. Like, he is fucked up. He got a whole net on his face. Oh, excuse me. But, he is fucked up. So, I do kind of agree he do need to chill. Little chill. He do need a little chill pill. Yes, he do. Alright, y'all. The mother loving of them all. Yeah, buddy. You see her? Let's see if we can get her broken up real nice. Y'all know I always have a problem. I like king crabs, but I don't love them. So this is why I be having a problem. Hold up, y'all. Oh my God, it's like sticking me. But even when, oh yeah, that's what I was trying to say. Even when he like gave Santana his little shout out, he gonna say, yeah, he knew better not to, she knew better not to say nothing around these times. Yeah. Like, that's what he was saying. Like, yeah, like, he knew better. I don't think it had nothing. I think, honestly, Santana is nowhere near worried about you, Rolling Ray. He's not. I just feel like Rolling Ray is forever going to be going down as a person that is a clout chaser. Like, everything from the moment he's came on the scene, it was all about clout chasing. So I just feel like Santana's not even trying to give him no time of day about it at all, period. Like, I think with the city girls, you like work, Tommie and them, they can say what they want. But I honestly don't think Santana feels like he's giving you more clout if he talks about you or argues back and forth or say anything. And I honestly feel him. You don't need that. No, not for me. You better go back on fucking Catfish. Y'all know I always have a hard fucking time. Y'all know I do. You got time. Period. There we go. Little tail end of that king. Y'all think I should try this again? I feel like I'm done with this Alfredo. That's a no. But the cheese, baby. Let's see how the king crab and cheese. Now, probably fried king crab would be better. That cheese sauce is everything, y'all. And make your own cheese sauce, too. Don't get no cheese weird shit. Don't get none of that Dorito cheese dip. No. In other news, y'all, congratulations are in order again for Miss Tatiana Havermal. No, I'm kidding. Well, for Love and Hip Hop, Hollywood's royalty, Masika Kaylasha. Yep, y'all. to mine and wiped her up or got her engaged and did all this. You know, it's probably for the next upcoming season because I know y'all know Love and Hip Hop is coming back out, but they're coming out with like a cast of all couples and you know, so I guess she's trying to make it to that rank. I don't know, with the Yandies and the Scrappy and the, you know, I don't know. Even though I feel like Yandi's definitely Love and Hip Hop royalty because her and Mona have been friends from the jump. So she's always guaranteed to spot storyline or not. Period. Her and Mona tight. This thing feels so heavy, y'all. Look how big this is. Oh, serious. Let me take the head off. I mean the knuckle off. Look at that. Ooh! That. Ooh! That like flew, y'all. Like for real, it flew. Hold on, let me get that. Hold on, y'all, because that flew. That thing flew out of there. Oh my God, y'all, it flew out of there. It flew out of there. Now I want a volcano. Where my egg at? I ain't even had no sausage. All right, there. Let me try the sausage and the cheese, y'all. That in there. Got me a sausage. I don't like the sausage and the cheese though. I don't. Alright, so I'm not a fan of the sausage and the cheese. Look at this egg in here. Little volcano. Where's my other piece at? So yeah, y'all. Masika is engaged to a man named Jamar Champ. And they recently had their engagement party this past weekend or over the weekend over the weekend. And you know what? You hoes out there. If Masika Kaylasha can get engaged, it's a spot for you, ho. Next, we gotta look at we're gonna see Alexa Sky competing for the next spot to be a wifey too. Because Lord knows, you know what? I didn't want to start on her because I actually like Alexa Sky. To be honest, I really do. But yeah, I actually like Alexa Sky. But I ain't gonna lie, I have to find out, even though I been knew he wasn't the baby father. You know, Fetty just gonna do whatever cause it helped her get a check. But even to deal with all of that, y'all, how y'all feel about that? Like, you know, her coming out now and saying that, I mean, my thing is with the baby, like, even though she's young right now and, you know, has some difficulties and disabilities and things like that, still, like, do she know who her dad, like, how is she supposed to feel about that? Because they just run through men. She had trouble. I mean, it's just a lot. He had trouble. And they was running good for a while. That fumble, he would, I think it was an Asian chick, white chick, or something. So, but we're gonna be seeing them compete. We're gonna be seeing Alexa Sky trying to get a man. Trying to get wiped out. We're gonna see her trying. But Masika, she look happy, y'all. When I was looking at the photos and everything from their engagement party, I will say it was very pretty. I love it when the man can acknowledge a child as well that's not his. I mean, hey, I'm here for it. So, Masika, do your thing, sis.
Few moments later.
Look at this huge piece of son of a gun. I don't think I ever had one this big, y'all. I don't know. This thing is huge. It is big. Look at that thing. That is big. Come across my hand like that. Yes. Nice and fat and juicy. What more could a girl ask for? Now, should she go with the cheese or should she go with the butter? Because we done with that. So she going to cheese or the butter? Cheese or the butter? Cheese or the butter? I'm going to cheese first. All right. I think it's so good. It's so fat and juicy. I mean, seriously, that's some good ass shit right there. For real. So yeah, comment down below and tell me what y'all think about this whole Masika Kaylasha thing. And y'all know I'm getting full already. There's food all over the place. That's some good shit. That's some good shit. So overall, butter for the win. I'm sorry. And next up will be that goddamn cheese. That cheese is everything. That cheese is everything. It's giving me like a scalloped potato taste with the potatoes. But the snow crab is probably the best. I'm flinging seafood everywhere, y'all. But it's hella good. It's hella banging. Woo! Look at that pool. Y'all like that? I like that. I done got full so fast, y'all. Oh yes, I recommend trying the cheese sauce. It's really good. I tried it with everything that I have here. And the cheese sauce goes with everything. The Alfredo, I don't see it going on nothing. Another thing. Making me burp, y'all. And it's really good, y'all. Yeah, them on the snow crab is probably the cheese of the snow crab is probably the best. But I want to try it fried. Like if I had fried king crab, oh my god, so good. Pretty much tried everything I wanted to try, experimented, and this plate look a mess. And yeah. Whew. Yeah, that's about it. So yeah, like I said, cheese sauce is number 2, butter sauce number 1, Alfredo is number no. We're not doing that again. We don't like that. So yep, y'all, I'm gonna get up on out of here. Till next time, and make sure you like this video if you made it all the way to the end. Obviously, you liked it, baby. And go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. You already know. Hit that notification bell because they go what? Hand in hand. And that's on what? Mary had a little lamb.
Mary had a little lamb. Okay. Okay.
Period. Period. Till next time, y'all. I'm out. Peace.